Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI, and exploring its evolution through 7 incredible stages. Stage 1: Rule-based systems. In the early stages of AI, we had rule-based systems that operated on predefined sets of instructions. Think of these systems like a chess-playing computer program. They could only make decisions based on the rules provided, similar to how a chess program can only make moves according to the game's rules. Stage 2: Context awareness and retention systems. Moving beyond rule-based AI, we encountered systems with context awareness and retention abilities. An example is virtual assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. They remember your previous interactions and use that knowledge to provide more relevant responses. For instance, they can understand follow-up questions based on the context of your initial query. Stage 3: Domain-specific mastery systems. AI has evolved to excel in specific domains. For instance, IBM's Watson became famous for its mastery of the trivia game show, Jeopardy! Another example is DeepMind's AlphaGo, which achieved mastery in the ancient board game, Go. These systems demonstrate advanced expertise within their specialized fields. Stage 4: Thinking and reasoning AI systems. AI has progressed to systems that can mimic human thinking and reasoning. Imagine AI capable of understanding the plot of a novel, inferring the motives of fictional characters, or analyzing complex economic data to predict market trends. These AI systems function as highly advanced tools for tasks that require reasoning and understanding. Stage 5: Artificial General Intelligence, AGI. AGI represents the aspiration for AI to possess human-like capabilities. While we don't have concrete examples of AGI yet, it would be akin to AI that can learn and adapt across a wide range of tasks, much like humans. It would have the ability to understand diverse topics and apply knowledge in various situations. Artificial Superintelligence, ASI. ASI is the stage where AI surpasses human cognitive abilities. While we haven't reached this stage, an example might be an AI that can solve complex scientific problems faster and more accurately than the best human scientists. It could also develop innovative solutions beyond our current understanding. The AI singularity. The AI singularity is a hypothetical point where AI becomes uncontrollable and self-improving beyond human capabilities. This concept is speculative, but an example could be an ASI that continually enhances its own intelligence, leading to rapid advancements that humans cannot comprehend or control. Currently, we are primarily in the domain-specific mastery systems stage, with AI systems demonstrating remarkable expertise in specific domains. We are also transitioning into the thinking and reasoning AI systems stage, where AI is increasingly capable of simulating human thought processes in certain tasks. As we continue this AI journey, we must navigate the complex challenges and ethical considerations that come with the remarkable potential AI offers. The future of AI promises transformative impacts across various industries and domains, and it is essential to ensure responsible and ethical development to harness its full potential for the benefit of humanity. And that's it for today. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing to help us grow and continue sharing valuable insights with you.